all my brothers here, especially recognizing Senator Brambra, who has tucked himself in one corner. The chairman of the APC, our great party. After recognizing the zonal woman leader of our great party, to please observe every other protocol. Today we are here to celebrate a father. And I believe that I personally have earned the right of a son with the person that we are celebrating today. When I was governor, he stood by me through thick and thin. And for a long time, he relocated to Bayelsa State Government House. Some of you can bear me witness. He relocated to Bayelsa State Government House and stood by me. That's why I said that I have earned the right of a son with Pa Dr. E.K. Clark. We have come here to celebrate someone that I consider to be a father of the Ijaw nation. And he has earned that position along with others in that illustrious rank. Others like Ernest Ikoli, others like Azikigboro, others like Chief Methodokilo. When we are talking about fatherhood of the Ijaw nation, the only other person I will mention within this illustrious rank is Pa Dr. E.K. Clark, the man that we have come here to celebrate. He has left a big vacuum. Some of us are wondering how we can fill that vacuum. Frankly, I personally was disappointed. But of course, nobody, no human being can determine when he is going to go. But we were hoping that we will celebrate the 100th birthday of our father before he left. Because he was a very healthy man at that age.
I received the news with mixed feelings and sadness, and I pray that Almighty God will grant him peace and for his soul to rest in perfect peace. I also pray that Almighty God will grant the family the fortitude to bear this great loss. Nigeria has lost a father, someone that has been working for the peace in this country, working for the cooperation between all the divides in the country, and to a large extent he has succeeded. I've just informed Ambassador Igale that he has a very big shoe to be able to, replace him as the chairman. But be assured of our cooperation that what he has put in place will continue to support and see that Nigeria remains in peace. Nigeria remains as one country, as the wishes of our father. Thank you and God bless you.
I have said it in my last speech. Wike Clark qualifies and has earned to be the ranks of the fathers, to be the fathers of a Ijaw nation. And he has also earned that same place as a leader of Nigeria. It is very instructive that his last words were, "I love Nigeria." Wike Clark was a nationalist to the end, and he should therefore be immortalized as a national patriot.